Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jill with At Home with Jill, and I have Emily helping me today. Yay! Alright, so we are going to be doing the pantry in this video. We decided not to do like the fridge, oven, and pantry all in one video because the pantry took a long time. So right now we're just cleaning the kitchen because we just finished up with dinner. There's lots of dishes and everything. So we're just cleaning the kitchen, getting the dishes done and all of that, and then we are going to start completely emptying the pantry and cleaning the shelves and decluttering and throwing away a bunch of trash and just reorganizing. So let's get into this video. Alright, so how about we make some cold sparkling water?
So let's do it.
Okay, so we're going to be using the GLACIER Fresh sparkling water machine. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I've got my CO2 here. That. Okay, so you just take this little thing off, and then it has a little handle. It says to fill it up to here. You can use bottled water or filtered water, and my fridge has filtered water, so. Awesome. I love how it has a 1.6 liter capacity. Put it back on. Just plop it right back in there. Okay. Alright guys, so GLACIER Fresh uses an instant cooling technology to cool down their water to a temperature that feels like it's been refrigerated. So right now it's at 5 degrees Celsius, and I am now filling the water tank. So now that the water tank is all full, then the next step is to pull down on the gas lever for the CO2. Okay, so I added some blueberries for flavor. Look at that. Look at that fizz. Super carbonated. Looks super delicious. Cheers. It has this like fresh, cold, delicious blueberry soda flavor. It is literally like you took a soda out of the fridge and are drinking it. You don't need ice. It's freezing cold and it's delicious and fresh. You can add berries to it. I was actually looking up some recipes. You can make cream soda. Vanilla extract and sweetener makes cream soda, and I was thinking about looking up some other ways to like try to make like a cola, but this is so good with just blueberries in it. So good. I love how I can be drinking a soda at home that is healthier, super easy to make, and it doesn't have all the plastic waste and pollution happening. You literally are just using water and making your own soda. Like, it is the healthiest you can get. Like, literally, it is the healthiest possible soda you can get, and it doesn't have the plastic waste and take up a bunch of room in your fridge either. So make sure you guys check out the link in my description code if you are interested in this soda maker, and I have a code. If you use my code, it is Jill, you can get an exclusive discount. So anyways, make sure you guys check that link, and let's get on into this video.